The reproductive system is the biological pathway that creates new life, a partnership between two complementary sets of organs. In the male body, the testes produce sperm, which travel through the epididymis and vas deferens, joined by fluids from the prostate before exiting through the urethra. Inside the seminiferous tubules of the testes, immature cells divide and mature into millions of sperm every single day. In the female body, the ovaries hold the eggs, the fallopian tubes carry them, the uterus protects a developing embryo, and the cervix opens into the vagina. Roughly once a month, a mature follicle releases an egg into the fallopian tube, the moment of ovulation. If sperm are present, they race toward the egg. A single sperm penetrates the outer layer and fuses with it, fertilization. Over the next several days, the fertilized egg divides, becomes a blastocyst, and embeds into the uterine wall to begin development. From two separate systems to one new life, the complete cycle of human reproduction.